Welcome to Naijaonlinebiz.com, your number one guide to business and online opportunities in Nigeria. Today, I'll be showing you step by step on how to start a provision store business in Nigeria. Provision store business is one of the easiest businesses to start in Nigeria. With high daily demand and low entry cost, you can build a profitable store. Start with market research and draft a plan. Check what people buy most in your area. These may include rice, noodles, beverages, or milk. This helps you stock smart. You don't need millions to start. With as little as 4,000 naira, you can begin small and grow big. Location is everything. Pick a busy street, near schools, or inside a marketplace where people buy daily. Get a small shop, arrange shelves, add a freezer, and keep your shop neat and attractive. Buy from wholesalers or major distributors to increase profit. Onitsha, Lagos Okeran, or Kano Segun Gari are good places to find distributors or wholesalers. Record your sales, manage stock, and treat customers well. Good service brings loyal customers. So, that's how to start a provision store in Nigeria. For more guides, visit Naijaonlinebiz.com for more business guide and step-by-step tutorials that work in Nigeria, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.